Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to OUKITEL WP20. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up by clicking on the same options. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OUKITEL. Also on Xiaomi, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, hit allow a couple of times to access your files. After picking all of them, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on OUKITEL. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!